Okay, this is not my car, but we're attempting to do a verified cold start. And this is our control. Air temperature is at 60. We're gonna put the probe in. This is a warm car that just drove over. Give it a second for the probe to read the temperature. Looks like we're at about 120 degrees. Okay. Go to the engine bay, show it an warm engine. Okay. That reads 133.5. Move into the garage where the actual vehicle for sale is. Air temperature reading 64, a little warmer in the garage than outside. Tailpipe reading roughly 60 degrees. Okay, go around to the engine bay. And the engine bay reads 45 degrees. Okay, now do a cold start.